Hello, airsofters and tactical boot buyers. So I bought these things about a year ago, brand new. I've been playing airsoft probably about 30 weeks, 30 days now. Let's put it that way. I've played probably like 7 or 8 months, but only on Sundays. And actual game time is only 5 minutes a game, so I'm gonna guess I only play 2 hours max in a day. And so 30 days times two, that's like 60 hours. So last time I played this past Sunday, I looked at this boot and realized what's going on here. And then I took a further look, and you can see the entire chunk of sole is gone. You can see there's BBs embedded in the sole. The sole is torn here. And then let's see about the other side. You can see the string here is tearing up. This sole's still intact, but I wouldn't doubt it's going to go bad. The disturbing thing is, I'm not running over rocks or anything like that. I'm playing indoors, so I'm playing on tile or concrete surfaces and crushed BBs. But these are supposed to be some sort of waterproof tactical boots. And I looked up the suggested retail price of these, and it's $365. Uh, so I got them on sale, but they were still like $150 on sale, which is still pretty expensive for boots, I think. But anyways, if they're even remotely close, you're paying it remotely close to retail price. These are definitely not good. You expect something this expensive to last more than 60 hours of, you know, playing on concrete and tile surfaces, right? So it's a big letdown. I did replace I added these. These are speed laces. Sadly, I don't think anyone makes these anymore. These speed lace things. But the upper part of the shoe seems perfectly fine. It's just the actual sole itself and the string holding the sole on is working loose. So yeah, if you're shopping for shoes to play airsoft, I'd avoid this brand. Which now leads to my question to you. Can you guys recommend some high heel boots? I want the ankle support. And I also kind of want them to be thick because I've been shot in the foot and it literally bruised my foot. But I was wearing sneakers at the time. And with sneakers, the BBs, I've taken some spills as well because I think I'm literally slipping on the BBs because I'm wearing like just regular tennis kind of shoes or running shoes. So I'm looking for something with some deep treads so BBs can get in the gaps, and then also thick toe so I don't get bruised, and good ankle support. And I would prefer that they last more than a year or two. For the price of these things, they should last forever, in my opinion. Right? Okay, well, thanks for watching. As an old man, it's my job to complain about stuff and let you guys know where to not waste your money. See you in the next review, or not review. See you in the next crying video. Bye.